Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create public profile on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on settings to the upper right hand corner. Scroll down and inside of this privacy control, tap on contact me and select everyone. So select here everyone for all of these options and tap on back. Scroll down and here you will find public profile option, so tap on that. Tap on continue, get started and tap on create. So here you can see the public profile has been created, and to edit the public profile, tap on public profile and tap on edit profile. Then you can add here your bio, location. Also you can enable show subscriber count. So that's how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.